to another Among Us video. Today I'm doing a troll mod and I hope you enjoy it. Troll mod is a person who gets secret troll mode and if they get killed, they win. So I wish I get the troll mod. Like I get the troll, what? Troll. Okay, I don't know. So ready sus. Oh, I'm a troll. I am so happy. I'm a troll. I wish I get killed. So that the whole clan just gets wind, right? The whole crewmates and the imposter gets lost. Okay, I cut the chats because chats are so boring and it's like it takes a long time. So I just cut out. And I have to fix the lights so that everyone can see and we can see who kills. You know what? I'm so bad at doing admin tasks. Wait, what? White killed me. Oh my god. I never knew that white could kill. Okay, I'm a crewmate again, you know. Oh, thank god this task was right near where I spawned. So that I don't have to walk. I am very lazy, you know. Okay, this time black is us. What's pink doing? Okay, pink is safe. Officially said that it's safe. Pinkus. Pinkus. I call pink pinkus. Okay, this black is no. I showed the chair because black is noob. And we won eventually. I'm a crewmate again. Sorry for cutting that part. I'm so sorry. I was an accident and I cannot get that part back. Okay. Why is pink standing on the vent? Pink is sus in this time. One sabotage I always hate. You know, in the first video I have said that comps is the horriblest sabotage I've ever seen. Will give me 50 likes at least or a 15 what? I know that no one likes or views my videos, Among Us videos that much. Well, my first introduction video got 118, 19 videos. No, 19 views. So thank you for that. Okay, and admin task again. I hate the admin task. Last time White was here and White was the imposter. I wish White's not the imposter again. This is like I hate comps. So my final task of the like what was it? Fix wires. Okay, Brown. I'm watching you, Brown. I have a reactor task. Yes, I does. So Brownie. Why am I calling Brownie? Brownie is something I love so much. Brownie. Okay, Brownie, come follow me. I will wait for you every single time. Where are you going, man? I said you have to follow me. Even though we are strangers. Whatever. I guess Brown is a troll because I don't know. I won't leave you to death because I don't know. I don't know if Brown's troll, but I won't. I guess Brown's not a troll. So I have this crazy task. I gets like at sometimes. Okay, Brown, come follow me. Brown, okay, Brown came. Brown, Brown, you gotta follow me, man. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl or a man or a woman. I don't know. Blackie or sus? I don't know why I'm calling everyone Pinky, Blackie, Brownie. Okay. Brown, I'm waiting for you. You gotta come. Come on, man. Where's Brown? Okay, Brown is doing a task and White is with me. I'm pretty sure it's black or lime. If someone dies, I'm pretty sure it's someone of them. It's black, for sure. Yes, it was black. Thank you for watching, guys. Well, don't forget to subscribe and join my Discord.